record this section. And then let me also come to share the screen. Okay, let's get started. Again, ask me for any question if you need by the end. Okay, let me just quickly walk you through the whole process. Okay, so here, when you go to my GitHub website, I have these resources and I uploaded this network analysis using R. I made a syntax public and you can, this is how I do it. So basically, come to this page. Okay, I will send you a link. So, you get a link, okay? As long as you have internet access, you can get it done in 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So make a copy. And then, let's say you go to our Studio Cloud for free, okay? And let's see, first link. And then, let's say login with our Gmail credentials, okay? With our Gmail credentials. And oops, it's kind of slow today. So anyway, here we go. 4 minutes, we should be able to get it done. Okay. So here, what I'm going to start a new project, second option. Okay. And I'll wait for probably a few more milliseconds. Okay. Again, I already made a copy. Okay. I already made a copy. You don't need to upload anything. Okay. So the next option for me is, let's say I want to wait until this platform is ready and then click File, New File, and then R Markdown, because I want to generate HTML web page using this software. And that page is going to show me, my network graph, okay, network graph. So now it's uploading, now it's downloading the packages, the libraries, right? And it should be done, in about, 15 seconds. And I click OK because this is like a default setting, okay? And then, here I'm going to clear the content in the source page. And then I paste, the content, I paste it, copy from my GitHub website. And then I paste it here. So here, now we have the name, the document, which is the first network graph on my family, career, and friend network. Okay. So HTML document, your name, XYZ, your name. And then, date is already automatically, generated. And then the introduction, why we do this. Okay. Who was the person who created the package? Okay, we save it with number 1. And then, here we install these packages. It takes 10 seconds. Okay. And now we need the document. We create the document. So see, we finished. This is the final network graph. Okay. Now let me publish. I will give you 1 minute introduction. Okay, install these packages. So now the first option is free. I click publish. And now, I think I already created an account here at, this website, rpubs.com. I'm just signing in. If you are first time user, create the account. It takes you five seconds, okay? 5 seconds. So it seems that I forgot my password. So let me try to type again. I hope, I remembered it this time. So let's see. Forgot my password. So it should be fine. So give me 1 minute. Give me 10 seconds. Let me reset my password. And then we should get it going. Okay. So here, no reply. And let's see. I'll copy the link. Okay, now I think we probably already, since But we can publish again. Let's just publish again in case, it's not published. I think pop-up page is here. Okay. Click republish, if you already did it, you forgot, update the existing one. Okay. And now, copy the document name, which is here. Which is here. Oops. It's kind of slow. Okay. Copy the title. Okay. I paste it here. Document title, right? And then maybe network underscore analysis, right? A graph. Okay. It really doesn't matter. Okay. Now let me give you just 30-second, brief explanations. First, we import a library, which is igraph. And then, definitely clears the original memory. And then, let's say we generate a simple graph, which shows a directed, network about 4 individuals. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is connected to 2, 1 is connected to 3. 2 is connected to, let's say, 3. Bidirectional, right? And then 3 is connected to 4. And then we plot the graph, okay? And then finally, your own graph. Your nickname, your mother, your father, your wife. And then maybe, also, your father, right? Definitely, right? This is your family network, your wife, right? And whatever. And then, let's say probably your professional network, right? Some of them, and then over your friend network, A, but you don't know B, but B is A's best friend, right? And then finally, also, there's one more here, G and E, right? G and no Z, right? So that's it. And plot, this graph. And then we generate a graph, and then, finally we publish the web page. So now you can do some simple changes. Let's say, let's say here, A also knows, you also know B, right? If you think, you also know B, then you just add a connection, right? So let's say Jimmy hyphen B, right? You save it and see, create a graph. And then you see the connection between yourself and B, right? Yeah. So now this is different. Between yourself and B, there's a connection. But originally, there's no connection between yourself and B, right? So that then you make, let's say a long-lasting graph about your networks, and you can play with it, have fun. Okay. So let me stop sharing, and I think